Ever wondered about the allure of running a flexible and potentially profitable online business? Dropshipping might just be the answer. Today, we dive into the world of dropshipping, breaking down the process into easy-to-follow steps. Imagine you're a magician and your magic trick is selling products. Your magic hat, an online store. When a customer wants a product, you reach your hat, but not for a rabbit. With a quick wave of your wand, you place an order with your supplier. And like magic, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to your customer. Abracadabra, you've mastered dropshipping. No stock or storage needed, just smart business. In the next scene, we'll explain the ins and outs of this business model in detail. Let's start by asking, what's dropshipping? It's a fascinating retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in its own inventory. Yes, you heard it right. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. So the merchant never even sees or handles the product. Here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that up to 33% of online retailers have adopted dropshipping as their primary method of order fulfillment? And here's another. The dropshipping market size is expected to reach $557.9 billion by 2025. So it's not just a retail fulfillment method, it's a revolution in e-commerce. Now let's get into the steps to start a dropshipping business. Step 1. Identify your niche. It's crucial to select a niche that is profitable and sustainable. This could be something you're passionate about, but it should also have a clear target audience and products that are in demand. Step 2. Conduct market research. Look into potential competitors, understand market trends, and learn about your target audience. This will help you make informed decisions about your business. Step 3. Secure a supplier. This step is crucial. Research and reach out to potential suppliers who are reliable and can deliver quality products on time. Step 4. Build your e-commerce website. The quickest way to launch a website that supports a dropshipping business model is through an e-commerce platform like Shopify. You can also choose to build a custom website, but that could take more time and resources. Step 5. Create a customer acquisition plan. Think about how you will drive traffic to your website and convert visitors into customers. This could involve SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, or pay-per-click advertising. Step 6. Analyze and optimize. Use analytics to track your business's performance. Learn from your successes and failures to continually improve your business. To summarize, starting a dropshipping business involves identifying your niche, conducting market research, securing a supplier, building your e-commerce website, creating a customer acquisition plan, and ongoing analysis and optimization. It's also worth noting that, like any business, dropshipping requires commitment, research, and a lot of hard work. But with the right approach, it can be an excellent way to start an online business with minimal upfront investment. So, if you're eager to step into the world of e-commerce and start your own business, dropshipping could be the perfect opportunity. Remember, the road to success might be bumpy, but with persistence and resilience, the destination is worth the journey. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the world of e-commerce.